What's up, guys? Just a quick informal video to show you guys what's going on visually with the market in SoCal right now. So I'm going to go over a few different data points here that you're seeing on the screen there. So check this out. So new listings, as you can see, we are down 30.8% compared to a year ago in new listings entering the market. Seems like people are not putting their homes up as much as they were in the past. Could be interest rates could be a factor, and we're going to talk about that. Down in pending sales as well. As a matter of fact, we are at the lowest point from the past 5 years as far as properties getting into escrow. Low sales down 36.6%. Unfortunately, let's go days on market real quick. Notice this. Remember the time about a year ago, less than a year ago. Look at this low point right here. In May of 2022, the average days on market was 13 days, and we were selling properties in 1 or 2 days. So the average is a little bit high right there. But notice now, look at homes are sitting on the market. Excuse me here. Homes are sitting on the market. Now we're at 41 days. We are up 127.8% in how long homes are staying on the market, which is a trip. That just shows you, look, if you're a buyer out there, you have a lot of selection. So whatever's out there, get qualified, get a loan in place, and you pretty much have all these homes to pick from versus a year ago, 2 years ago. You're like, I'll take what I can get type of thing. It's a different bulk average sales price. So here's the other benefit to buyers right now. Yes, we'll talk about interest rates right now. They are higher. However, look at the average sales price. We're down. It was climbing all the way up until it peaked in April of 2022. Since April 2022, we have been on a decline in average sales price. And just to let you know what's going on right now in the market, we are on some of our listings, we're having to negotiate a little bit more than we had to in the past. In the past, sellers can get whatever they want. Now, if the seller wants to get their home sold, they need to be a little bit more flexible. They need to possibly give a credit to the buyer for closing costs or for repairs and all that stuff. They can't just be like, I'm going to sell it for whatever I want and take it or leave it. It's not really like that anymore for sellers. So buyers have a little bit more of an advantage. Now, don't get me wrong. Prices are still up. So a seller, it's still a benefit for sellers to put their homes on the market because they're still going to get a ton of money for their homes. I mean, look at we're only down from a year ago 3.3% in home value and sales price. So we're still up there, definitely. Let's talk about interest rates real quick. I like to go to this website. It's called Mortgage News Daily. They give us real-time updates on what's taking place with interest rates. You'll notice here, let's go back a little bit. So February, where are we? We were at a low point right here, February 2nd. That was the lowest point this year for interest rates. So you'll see here it says 30-year fix 5.99. We were really low at that point, relatively speaking, because obviously interest rates were super low a couple of years ago, right? At around 3% or a little bit. Unfortunately, right now, for those that didn't take advantage of that dip right there, interest rates went up. And so right now they're a little bit higher, and that's due to inflationary pressures, obviously. But it's still a good time to purchase because what you can do is in a couple of years, you're going to get a solid loan. So you're going to get a fixed loan. It's not like back in the day when they were doing those 2-year interest only loans. And then 2 years comes and you had to refi. It was like a jumbo payment. It's not like that. You're getting a solid loan. So as long as you can qualify for the payment in a couple of years, hopefully interest rates go back down, you can refinance and you'll have your property. The benefit of buying now, like I said, is that you can have your choice of what you want. There's a bunch of homes out there for sale right now. Not as many as before, but there also aren't as many buyers out there. So you have a selection, you have a little bit more power. So it is a good time, guys, to buy or sell. Still, this is SoCal, it's the SoCal market, and things are always moving. So I hope you guys found value in this. If you guys have any questions, you can DM us anytime or visit our website, motherinsunrealestate.com. See you guys later.